Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. You don't know. You don't know. So today's video, I'll be making some turkey legs for you guys. Some baked turkey legs. I haven't had turkey legs in a long, well, since last year. Since last year when I went to the fair. That's the last time I had some turkey legs. So here I am, preparing some, because your girl been craving it. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification on, so you get every time your girl uploads a new video. If you're only returning back to my channel, you're awesome. You don't know what to say. You're awesome. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Everything will be in the description down below. And if you watch my videos to the end, it will also be at the end of my videos. Guys, I also have a business email. It's in my about section. It's Mrs. Fluffy 29 at yahoo.com. So message me, send me an email, something, if you're trying to do a collab or whatever the case may be. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's get into this video. Bye. All right, guys. So here I already got the turkey pre-prep. It's already cleaned and everything. Right now I'm using Butterball brand. So we got yo, guys, this was so cheap. Less than $4 for 3 turkey legs. So this is gonna be a really quick video. So right now I'm going with my all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have this brand, you could use whatever all-purpose brand you could find at Walmart or Publix or wherever at the grocery store. I'm gonna go with my Creole seasoning. I'm gonna go in with my Everglades. And I'm gonna go with my chicken spice. Guys, I got this from Jamaica. You could probably find this at the international section. But if not, you don't really have to use that one per se. I'm gonna go with Maggie. Maggie is a plus. I love Maggie. So good. So good. Not too much, because this Maggie is salty. And I'm gonna go with my adobo. You don't know, say adobo on everything. If it doesn't have any adobo, I don't want it. I just don't want it. I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. Just a little bit of black pepper will go a long way. And some chili powder. Guys, right now my oven, preheated my oven. Can't chat. So preheat your oven 350 while you season up this. And I'm gonna go in with some vegetable oil. Just drizzling a little bit over this. So I'm gonna just pat this down. And I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side, okay? Okay. All right, guys, I just finished seasoning up my turkey. Looks so good. Turkey legs. So good. So I'm gonna just put it in the oven. 45 minutes on one side, 45 minutes or so on the other side. I'm not gonna cover it at all. I'm just put it in there just like so. Okay. Okay, when I come back, y'all gonna see the finished product. You don't know, so it's gonna be delicious. So yeah, catch y'all later. Alrighty guys, here's the finished product. This looks so good, so amazing. I can't wait to dig into this with the B-Love Smackalicious sauce. Stay tuned for that video as well, yo. Ton up. Looks so good. Oh my god, I can't wait to dig in. Guys, don't forget to like and comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Bye. Much love. Lego.